I've created a JSON file with data for each of the menu items. These files are in the instructor notes. The process to get a menu item's data is almost exactly the same as what we just did with menu. When the URL is item/some item name, Ember calls the item route. Again, we use the model hook to fetch the data. But how will Ember know which item to get? The item will be stored in item_name. The model hook is passed a params object, and we can get the item name off of that object. Now let's update the item template. Just like updating the menu template, we need to replace the static info with the dynamic data provided by the JSON file. Remember that the data returned from the model hook is stored in a model variable. And now we can finally see the other menu items. Awesome! Have you noticed that clicking back and forth, though, shows us a blank page for a few seconds? Let's fix that. The problem is that we're using an anchor tag to link to specific URLs instead of letting Ember manage the URLs for us. Ember provides us a template helper called link_to. The link_to helper needs to know which route it should link to. We want this link to link to the item route, so item should go here. The item route needs to have an item, so we need to give one to the link_to helper. One thing that would trip me up in the beginning is that this one needs quotes, but this one doesn't since it's using the local item variable. Using link_to with nested routes is very similar. Because the nutrition route is nested inside item, the route we need to reference in the link_to helper is item.nutrition. We don't need to worry about which item to use, because to display the nutrition template, we'll already be on this item page. Ember knows that and handles that for us. For more information on the link_to helper, check the link in the instructor notes. Now there are no page refreshes and all transitions are smooth and instantaneous. And what's cool is that the back button works with all of this too.